How to fix Meteor Maker stuck on loading screen. 1. Ensure your PC meets the recommended system requirements for the Meteor Maker game. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update your Windows. 3. Play the game as an administrator. 4. Exit all unnecessary apps, like P2P, VPN, VMware, Office, etc. 5. Other tips. Update GPU driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Verify and repair game files in Steam. Temporarily disable Windows firewall and antivirus. Perform a clean boot update. DirectX and .NET Framework, uninstall then reinstall game.